This is a new machine solution for producing MgO boards and cement boards with fiberglass mesh. Let's walk through and understand how this machine line works together. 1. Raw materials feeding. The raw materials include powder materials, like MgO powder or cement powder, along with other filling materials. The feeding system has two types, bag braking and pneumatic, which can automatically convey the materials to the metering system. 2. Raw materials metering. The metering system can automatically measure the materials and feed them into the mixers. For some filling materials, you can also choose to measure them manually by weight or volume. As shown in the video, you can add sawdust or perlite into the open hopper. Each hopper is equipped with dust collection pipes to capture dust or particles, ensuring that even if bulk sawdust is on the platform, the environment remains dust-free. 3. Raw materials mixing. Here are the mixers. According to your requirements, the mixing system can have different configurations. Typically, the product consists of a slurry layer, a middle layer, and an optional sanding layer. All mixers are made of stainless steel, and the middle layer mixer has double shafts to mix the materials more evenly. 4. Forming line. The system lays the materials on the moving molds, and scrapers and rollers shape them. The fiberglass mesh is laid on the materials and combines with them for reinforcement. According to the production technology, it could have several layers of materials and fiberglass meshes. The fiberglass mesh is the main reinforced material in the boards. The fiberglass mesh is cut by an automatic saw, which separates the boards into pieces. At the end of the line, the molds with materials are fed into the curing racks and moved to the next step, the first curing process. 5. Curing room. The boards remain in the racks in the curing room to solidify. We have equipped rails and cars to move the curing racks. Temperature control and fans in the curing room maintain the right environment to cure the boards. The curing time varies depending on the material's characteristics. 6. Demolding line. You need to separate the boards from the molds and then move them to the second curing process. This line includes a conveyor, suction machine, and transfer parts. The molds also need to be cleaned, and you can choose either manual cleaning or a cleaning machine integrated into the demolding line. This is the second time curing room. For different technology and production requirements, it may be different. Similar to the first time curing process, the second time curing process also needed good control of the environment. 7. Cutting process. The 4-edge cutting machine automatically trims all 4 edges of the semi-finished boards. Once you set the target size, the machine cuts the boards accordingly. This machine line also collects the waste strips and crushes them into powder, which can be reused as a filling material in production, resulting in no waste. 8. Sanding process. For boards requiring sanding, this process smooths the sanding layer. After sanding, the boards are very flat and smooth. With a highly precise sanding machine, the thickness tolerance of the finished boards can reach 0.02 millimeters. The sanding process could proceed on both surface sides and backside. The sanding board is very suitable for such applications which requires very high quality, like laminating with different decoration materials. 9. Finished product. The final step is inspecting the finished products, including size verification, appearance inspection, and physical properties testing. Once the boards pass inspection, they are ready to be shipped to your clients.